Okay, so I saw this retractable water hose on Facebook and sent it to my husband. I was like, this thing is awesome. I would love to have it because I drag a water hose around everywhere, watering everything, and then have to wind it all up every day. So we're gonna test it out. Apparently it's 100 feet. And I can drag it anywhere I want. And then when I'm done with it, I haven't read anything about it. I assumed it would be. Oh, you tug it. It worked. Retract itself back. That is so awesome.